Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Audi e-tron. Begin by lightly sketching the main body shape, focusing on the car's overall length and width. Establish the wheelbase and the height of the roofline. These initial lines are crucial for setting up the correct proportions before adding any details. Think of it as building the car's skeleton. Keep your lines loose and don't press too hard. Next, refine the body lines, paying close attention to the e-tron's sleek and aerodynamic profile. Carefully draw the prominent wheel arches, ensuring they flow naturally into the car's side panels. Now, sketch the iconic Audi grille and the sharp, modern headlights. These elements are key to making your drawing recognizable. Remember to keep your lines clean and confident. Now it's time to add the finer details that bring your Audi e-tron to life. Sketch the door handles, side mirrors, and any visible trim. Through the windows, subtly suggest the interior, perhaps a hint of the seats or dashboard. Finally, begin to add shading and highlights. This step creates depth and makes your drawing appear three-dimensional, giving it a polished look. For the final touches, carefully erase any remaining construction lines, leaving only your refined drawing. Intensify your shading to create strong contrasts and define the car's contours even further. Consider adding a subtle background or ground shadow to anchor the car. This last stage is where you truly make your drawing pop. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.